It's somewhere where I come to connect to other women, and a place where I'm inspired by other women, and obviously now it's a place that I come with my mum.
It's a new journey, and I'm discovering that because when I first came to the Jade Circle, I was invited by Anamarta and my daughter, and I didn't really ask what it was, and I think maybe I was a bit nervous about it. I think the first time in the egg, or the circle, the egg circle, I think I was so overwhelmed because it felt so warm and lovely, and I suddenly felt really relaxed.
Ultimately it brought me surrender, because I've been brought up in a generation where sex is sex, and it's not sacred at all, it's the opposite, you do what you want to do, and there's no boyfriends, it's all friends with benefits and fun, and then I really learned, it's very sacred, but not in a nun way, just sacred in a, be proud of what's there, and it's more creative, it's more to sex than just sex, and it's really beautiful, and it's where all of our emotion comes from, and our power comes from. But there's a way to get the balance between kind of aggressive power and subtle power. So that's really what I'm taking more than anything. My grandma, you would never expect her to be at a Jade Circle, and then she'd come, and I thought maybe she's just playing along, but she really got it. She can't wait to come again. She said she felt like, she's 80 years old, she said she felt like the room was just the room, there was nothing else outside. She went home with my mum, she's telling everyone about this Jade Circle and this place, and we all need to go there because it's connection and it's women, so it's amazing, it's ageless. My jobs are about giving, and telling people to do stuff for themselves and never doing it for me. And the Jade Circle is now my thing, where I actually work on me, and I'm actually got practices to do that. And it's not just closing my eyes and staring at a wall and waiting to be enlightened. It's practical, and it's beautiful, and it's amazing.